Welcome to Foodie Foodie and welcome to Singapore, a vibrant city-state that blends modern marvels with lush greeneries and cultural heritage. If you only have a day or two to explore, let me show you what did I do early 2024 when I visited Singapore for just a 2-day trip. From wildlife to stunning gardens and breathtaking city views. Let's go! After grabbing a very quick breakfast, we started our day at Bird Paradise, Singapore's newest and largest bird park, home to over 3,500 birds from 400 different species. Located in, I think called Mandai, correct me if I'm wrong, sorry about that. This sanctuary is a must-visit for wildlife lovers. Don't miss the Sky Amphitheater show, where eagles and parrots perform incredible tricks. You can also hand-feed flamingos and penguins for a fun up-close experience. I did not get to do that. If you get a chance, you should really try to experience it. Next, we are heading to Gardens by the Bay, one of Singapore's most famous attractions. This futuristic park is known for its Supertree Grove, a collection of giant solar-powered vertical gardens. We went there during the daytime, so we were not able to see the spectacular night shows, but if your schedule allows, you might want to also visit this place at night to see the lights. Step into the cloud forest, home to the world's tallest indoor waterfall, or explore the flower dome, where beautiful plants from all over the world are on display. For a quick escape, we took a short ride to Sentosa Island, Singapore's entertainment paradise. This resort island is home to Universal Studios, sandy beaches, and adventure parks. We did not spend too much time there, but we did walk around the beach and admire the beautiful resorts. Even if you have limited time, a quick stroll by the beach adds a little fun and adventure to your day. To end the day, we enjoyed the spectacular lights and water show at Marina Bay Sands. This breathtaking display of lights, music, and water effect happens every night at 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. And the best part, it is completely free. You will recall this amazing building from the movie Crazy Rich Asian. Unfortunately, I might be crazy Asian, but definitely not rich. Of course, another famous attraction of Singapore is the Merlion. It is beautiful and it's amazing at night. What a perfect way to wrap up an unforgettable day in Singapore. From wildlife encounters at the bird paradise to the futuristic gardens by the bay, the fun in Sentosa, and ending with the dazzling cityscape. Singapore truly has it all. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what's your favorite place in Singapore. See you in the next adventure. Bye.